Being vulnerable after you've been hurt takes real courage. It's okay to be scared. It's okay to take your time. When you're ready, you'll know. So whenever you feel that way again, listen to this song.
I am allowed to guard my sacred space, to move slowly, set my own pace. When love is real, it will understand that trust is a gift placed in gentle hands. Repeat with added lines. I don't have to rush, I don't have to prove. My heart will open when it's safe to move. I honor my boundaries, I honor my time. The right love will wait, and that love will be mine. Take your